Sound of bell. The sound of bell inside the sea cell, the echo of the tone outside the iron trail, ringing loudly yet pleasantly, capturing my body and mind towards the direction of the melodious rhyme. Little by little, I am on the grip of intoxication. Bit by bit, I realize my palpitation. Slowly and tenderly, I am conscious of my addiction. Somewhere in the mist, you are always in my imagination. Keeping you in thoughts, I sing. Keeping you in dreams, I dream. Keeping you in mind, I evaluate the days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Something in the stream. At times, some scattered thoughts ring, making me smile to all the happenings. It's all because of the sound of bell.